Hello everyone, this is Suman. Today I will discuss about how to host a WordPress site in your desired hosting. Suppose you have a domain called abc.com or any other name. Just you need to write /cpanel after this domain. Okay. Then it will be automatically redirected to a new page. Just put your cpanel username and password. Don't worry about cpanel username password. That was already provided by your hosting service provider. I have already logged in my another browser. Just I opened it. Currently I am using Namesip hosting. This is the UI of Namesip hosting. If you are using GoDaddy hosting or Bluehost hosting or any other hosting, don't worry about it. Just you need to find out MySQL database. Okay, after that we need to create a database. Suppose I put the name demo. You can put any name, whatever you want. Just click the create database. Okay, just write down your database in any kind of editor. I just using notepads. Okay, this is the database name. Then go back. Okay, we need to create a user. I put the same name. You can use any other name, whatever you want. Then you need to write a strong password. Okay, then create user. Okay, just copy the username. Okay, also you need to write down your password that was already put it in your username field. Okay, then you need to add a user in your desired database. Just click it. Okay, then you need to check all privileges, then make changes. Okay, that's it. Then we need to search file manager. Public HTML is a root directory of your domain. Suppose clean code with Suman, this is the main domain. If I put something before of this domain called sub.cleancode with Suman, this is the subdomain. If you want to host anything in your main domain, you need to put all of this file in your public HTML directory. Okay, otherwise it will not work. Suppose if you have a subdomain that called demo.abc.com, you need to put all of this code under the subdomain. I just copied all of this file, whatever I want to host here, then paste it the public HTML. It will be automatically show your main domain when anyone visit your site. Okay, then we are hosting WordPress. Then we need to download wordpress.org. Just visit wordpress.org. Okay, then hit enter. Then click the get WordPress. Then download the latest version. Currently this is the 6.2.2. I have already downloaded it. Okay, I just need to upload my downloaded WordPress. Then select WordPress. This is a zip file that was already downloaded from wordpress.org. Just open it. Okay, it will take some time for uploading. Okay, just wait. Then okay, upload complete. Then click the go back. Then unzip the file, extract, click extract, then extract files. Okay, then we don't need zip file. I just delete it. Okay, then click the WordPress. All of this file are you need to move your public HTML. Just click the select all, then click move. Then you need to cut down WordPress after the public HTML. Then move file. All of these are in public HTML. Okay, then if I visit clean code with Suman, something went wrong because of we have a index.html. I need to delete it. That was a previous file. Continue. Okay, let's go. Then database name, username and password, that was already in my notepad. Database name, okay, then database username, then হচ্ছে password also same, then submit. That's it. Run the installation. Then fill up your site title, username, password, everything. Just write your site title, demo site, then username. I just put the admin. This is the username that is you need to use in your WordPress site. Put the password, then your mail. I just discuss the search engine indexing, then install WordPress. Okay, then login. Already your site has a WordPress. If you visit the main site, you can see the site. This is my site. Username and password. This is the WordPress dashboard. Everything all right.